Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn programming using Visual Studio Code. First, you'll need to download and install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Then, install essential programming language extensions for your chosen language. Create a new project folder for your code. And finally, open that folder within Visual Studio Code to begin your journey. Now, let's get familiar with the interface. The Explorer sidebar helps you manage your files and folders efficiently. The integrated terminal allows you to run commands directly within the editor. For quick access to features, use the command palette. You can also personalize your workspace with various themes and settings to suit your preferences. It's time to write some code. Start by creating a new file and typing your first lines. Visual Studio Code's IntelliSense provides helpful code completion and suggestions as you type, making coding easier. Once written, you can run your program directly from the integrated terminal. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. Debugging is a crucial skill. You can set breakpoints to pause your code's execution and inspect variables to understand what's happening. To continue learning, explore the many excellent online tutorials available. Consistent practice is key to improving your programming abilities, so keep experimenting and building new projects. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.